Hello, today I will explain my code and first implement the deck class that has the both queue-like operation and stack-like operation, and explain the code line the deck demo class that explain all the methods in the deck class. And first of all, create the deck class, import Java utility not such element exception, and is a import we class the exception if the try the remove from an empty deck, and public class deck t is generic class, and the private static class not t is we define the linear class inner class not to represent an element in the deck is the inner class is a data of the t data is value it holds, node t next is a reference to the next node in the reference to the previous node, and the node t data is described a double link list structure in data, and after private node t front is the front points to the first node in the deck. Private node to the t back is points to the last node in the deck. In the private integer size is keeps track of how many elements are in deck. And after public deck front is constructor element is the constructor method creates an empty deck, and the public void at first t element is the adds the element of the front of the deck in this is the node at the list, and the node t new node is the element if is empty is the deck is empty in the new node is the both front of the back, otherwise the new node in the linked in the front of the current front increases size by 1 in this, and the add last is public void is the adds the element of the back of the deck this, and this the add list is add last is the item is the new node, and remove public t remove first in this class is removes and returns of the elements in this, and get first public t returns the first element value without removing it, and get last in the returns the last elements value without removing it is empty, boolean empty is return size is 0. Check if the deck is empty. A public integer size is returns the number of the elements, and this public void clear is the clears all elements in the deck. In push public void t item in at the first item is stacks like push adds to the front in this, and public t pub is the returns remove the first is stacks like pub removes from the front in this, and later second is create the deck demo class in this, and public class deck demo is the public static void main is main method to the is a main method in this the deck class, and is the deck string. Deck is new deck is create a deck of the string elements in this, and this system out print ln is the deck empty, is the check if the deck is initially empty, is deck at last 1 2 3 is the at the 3 elements of the to the back, and the system out print ln first element and the last element is the display the first and last element without removing them in, and the is the remove first and last is the remove first and element is print last and first element and print them, and the deck push 4 and 5 is the stack operation, is stack operation push the elements onto the deck at front, and the system out print ln pop is the stack operation pop remove the top front elements, and after system out print ln first element and last element they get first and they get last, is check the current element first and last element after popping, and the system out print ln deck size print the number of the elements, is a size print number of the elements, and the clear is cleared is the empty deck empty is the clear all the elements and confirm that deck in the is a now empty. Okay, I put the breakpoints and debug deck demo and Java point Java is okay. F8 is empty, is deck empty, is deck add list variable is the back size of the 1 and 2 is 3 deck at last because 3 elements is variable, and switch the console is the deck empty is true and true, first element 1 is the 1 and the last element 3, and remove first is a 1 and remove last is 3, and remove first 1 and remove last 3 and pop is a 5, and first element is the first element 4 and last element and 2, and deck size is 2, and clear is the deck empty true, and is the clear list is debug stop it, and finally run the deck demo. Yes, is the same is deck empty is true, first element 1 and last element 3, and remove first 1 remove last 3 and pop is 5, first element 4 and last element 2, and deck size 2, and clear it is the deck empty is 2, is the switch the is the variables. Yes, is the look the variables data is 5 is 4 okay. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.